Good evening, everybody. Guess what? Today turned out to be the warmest day of March so far. Not for everybody, but at least for Portland. PDX made it to 54 degrees. In fact, yesterday, Friday, made it to 50. And yesterday was the first time that we have warmed out of the 40s this month, which is pretty pathetic because the normal high is 56. I mean, a decent day would now be 60. The records are all up into the 70s. And the fact that we were at 54 today still is below the normal of 56 and still means that this run, which is a good solid 2 weeks now of every single day being below normal average temperature, mean temperature, that's continuing. Oh, yeah. Okay. Went ahead and grabbed this shot. Look at the beautiful sunshine. This was this afternoon in Lincoln County. The camera at the Inn at Ottercrest Resort that sits back here in the trees. It's a beautiful property. Sits on 101 south of Depot Bay, and that's their live camera looking down to the south. It was low 50s at the coast. It was upper 50s, by the way, down in Eugene this afternoon. Okay, we're going to change things up because tomorrow we have clouds coming back. We have rain coming back. But first, here it is, your big reminder. Daylight saving time begins. The old saying, spring forward 1 hour. Now, technically, this happens at 2 o'clock overnight tonight. So Sunday 2 a.m. literally becomes Sunday 3 a.m. as we turn the clocks forward 1 hour. Your new Sunday sunrise time, daylight saving time, is 7:29 in the morning. That's an hour later than it has been coming up. So you'll notice it's still dark at 7, for example. But the sun doesn't go down until 7:12. Again, that's an hour later. So instead of getting dark shortly after 6, it'll still be light at 7. So that's your reminder. Don't forget to turn the clocks ahead 1 hour before you go to bed tonight. Okay. Moving on. Here we go. Mentioned rain's going to pick back up tomorrow. So here's the satellite picture. Here's our low. The front with this actually comes in Monday morning, but this starts throwing moisture our way tomorrow. We'll see showers develop during the morning hours and increasing rain in the afternoon. I went ahead and grabbed the satellite picture that has the lightning strikes embedded. So this is about, I think I grabbed this about 20 minutes ago. You can see the X's. This is all lightning activity, including in California and also in parts of southern Nevada. And this fetch of moisture coming into California is the main jet stream. So here we are again. This has been the case more than not going all the way back to January. The main jet flow with the most active explosive weather coming right into California. We continue to be north of that, which is in the cooler sector of air. Now, we're getting our fair share of precipitation, but not what California's been getting. And again, this low is going to start to push rain chances inland on us tomorrow morning. So this computer graphic, the main thing I want you to get from this weather model is that the rain coming in tomorrow through Monday is pretty widespread. The darker red colors are the heavier amounts. So you can see where clearly that's down in the mountains of California and also some of the coastal areas of Northern California, just clipping the southwestern corner of Oregon. You can see some red amounts higher in the mountains. Now, this is only tomorrow through tomorrow night. That shows about 0.6 to 0.7 up and down the Oregon coast. It shows about 44/100 of an inch up and down I-5. But again, this particular model only goes through tomorrow night. Now, remember, the front comes in Monday morning. So really, the storm totals are going to be what falls developing during the day tomorrow, tomorrow overnight, Monday morning into Monday evening. If you add all that together, I think we at least have to have in the I-5 corridor, Portland, Salem, Vancouver, 65/100 of an inch. And most of the models like giving us an inch. And I think because it's such a long fetch of moisture, if you combine tomorrow night, Monday evening, I think we have a good chance to pick up an inch through that period, maybe a little bit more. This should be a pretty good snowmaker up in the Cascades. I'll show you that forecast in just a bit. We don't have any watches, no warnings, no advisories at this time. It doesn't look like we're going to get any wind to speak of, just kind of typical breezes picking up with weather systems coming and going. And certainly the rain would not be enough to cause any problems. But nonetheless, especially tomorrow overnight through Monday morning, that's when the heaviest rains are going to be. Probably raining more hours than not through that stretch. Let's see here. Slow Cascade travel because of the front coming in. And it will be snowing near and over some of the passes. This is the surface map that shows you the passage into Portland about 9 o'clock Monday morning. So these black lines are the contours of the surface map. Where you see the little dips right in here, that's where the front comes in. That's 9 o'clock Monday morning. Now, if these black lines, the lines of equal pressure, if they were closer together, we would call that a tight pressure gradient. and we would expect some winds. But the fact that these lines are fairly wide spaced, which they are, tells you that there's not a lot of rain, or excuse me, not a lot of wind to be had. It looks like it's going to be typical breezes picking up Sunday overnight, especially through Monday morning, maybe 10 to 25 miles per hour. Could be some east winds gusting out of the gorge as the front starts to approach around 30, 35 miles per hour. Similar peak winds, I think, at the coast in that range. So good bit of rain, some breezy winds that'll be noticeable, but no concerns, and really nothing overly windy, certainly not by our standards. You know, the snow level track is becoming kind of a non-story because it still looks like the majority of these systems that I'm watching in the coming weeks and this upcoming week are going to have snow in the Cascades, and that's it. Just rain over the Coast Range and rain here in the valley. So tomorrow, snow level 4,000 to 4,500 feet. That's clearly up in the Cascades. In fact, tomorrow afternoon, if you're traveling on Highway 26 over Mount Hood, could find some rain or kind of a wet mix. It was warm enough up there today. Those passes all got nice and clean. So the highways look to be in pretty good shape statewide, actually. All right, now Monday, the front comes in the morning. Monday morning, the snow level is about 4,500 feet, lowers to 3,000 feet behind the front during the day. Tuesday, there could be some snow as low as 2,000 feet, but during the day, it rebounds back up to 3. And then right now, Wednesday and Thursday look to be dry days. And notice how Thursday's snow level goes back up above 4,000 feet. Right now, if Thursday stays dry, Thursday looks to be a category warmer than what we had today. So today, let me think, we were mid-50s, a category warmer. Yeah, Thursday of next week. Now, this could change, but if it doesn't, I like Thursday of next week giving 60 degrees a run for the money here in Portland, Salem, and Vancouver. Something we're getting due for, right? So we'll see if that holds true. All right, so with all of that said, here's the way it stacks up on the mountain. Tomorrow, increasing snow, 3 to 6 inches, and then heavier snow Sunday overnight through Monday afternoon. I think Timberline and Meadows have a chance to get 14 inches. Could be a wet mix at times at Ski Bowl and Government Camp. That's why the lower end at 7. And then Tuesday, 2 to 4, and then Wednesday is the dry weather. Again, you can find this work of mine, my 5-day snow forecast, on my Mount Hood ski page on my weather site, portlandweather.com. That's always there for you. And here's my own 7-day forecast. So if you're up early tomorrow morning, probably dry, rain showers pick up during the morning. It's tough to tell how long in the day tomorrow we stay dry before rain moves in. I think we get a little bit of stuff developing in the morning, and then rain just kind of picks up and the day gets wetter and wetter as we go on. And then hours of steady rain Sunday overnight into Monday morning. Remember, the front is Monday, but the upper level part of the system takes all day to clear. So we're still going to have, I think, occasional showers Monday afternoon. 37 to 50, 46 Monday morning, 53 during the day. And then Tuesday, showers scattered in the morning, may end during the day, 38 to 50. Again, these are, they're still cooler temperatures than normal, but better than what we've been seeing, right? Here's our dry weather. Some fog Wednesday morning. Right now, Thursday, I'm going 59. I was feeling a little bit like chicken. I don't want to put up a 60 this early, then have to pull it off the board. But if things don't change, I think we could hit 60 on Thursday of next week. Again, records for this time of the year well up into the 70s. And then Friday showers return. And then right now it looks like Friday, Saturday into that following weekend, just kind of partly sunny days with scattered showers, kind of nondescript weather, if you will. Okay, that is your update on this Saturday night. Hope you really did enjoy today. I thought it was pretty nice outside myself. And I will talk to you soon. Please hit subscribe if you're watching these videos for the first time. By subscribing, it helps me out. Also, you will get a notification when I post new videos. And as always, I like to remind you to tell your friends to check it out for local Portland, Salem, Vancouver, Oregon weather. I'll talk to you soon.